Harare Hurricanes won the toss and Owen Morgan decided to field. Quick look at the Harare Hurricanes, the home side, Owen Morgan the captain, and then the former Indian. Let's join the action as Bulawayo Braves.
This goes past the two men that are up behind, and this will run away for another boundary. Into the surface, and this is where Ben Medema is really strong. New bowler, and he is dealt with first ball, first six of the tournament. This is beautiful from Medema. Oh, and again, doesn't get it though. He doesn't get it. Taken, first wicket. It's a massive wicket as well, because it is Ben Medema. Oh, straight away goes a quick single, gone. You can't take a single to Owen Morgan. First opportunity he gets. Strong call, I think, terrible call. Just that rocket length. Oh, misfield. Oh, it's boundary. That is tragic. Line. Wicket for Musa. Because you're seeing wickets flying, the emerging players. Again, a Yorker delivery. Boundary, this is tapped. I don't think he gets this. I don't think he gets this. Should be another wicket. Is another wicket. Now they're under pressure. They are under pressure. They just need to release some of this pressure. This will run away. Down the wicket, down the wicket. This is out of the park. Gets to the pitch of the ball. It's a lovely piece of timing. The gap, and this should be 4. This is big. He hasn't missed out here, that's for sure. This is out of Harare and on the golf course. Oh, this could be a catch. This could be the up, and he's out. Across the line, he takes another wicket. And it doesn't matter what wind you're hitting into, because that's gotten a long way. Yeah, he goes big to the leg side. There's a man back there, Samit Patel, screaming around the boundary, and he can't get it. This goes up. Samit is underneath it. He's coming in, and he's got a very safe pair of hands. Has Samit. He won't drop those. Pace off into the surface. Ball got big on him. And like you've alluded to, Samit Patel under the high ball. He's got a safe pair of hands. And he's out as quickly as he's come in. Swing and a miss. Yeah, that's a typical tail-ender's dismissal. And this one's up, and it's far. He's got enough on it. As the captain rises, and he goes to his first 50. Well played, sir. Great start from the captain. He leads the way, and it's his first 50. Oof, and that was hit hard. And that is far. Raza getting better and better. Oh, and the number 11. What a job he does there. Gets a bit of bat on it, and they'll go for 4. So unlucky from a pause there, but great for the...
At the end of 10 overs with this format, but 3 for 25 for Brandon, 2 wickets each for the Hurricanes. Come out with a chase.
It's a slow ball, it's airborne, and that's the easiest of gets us to time more balls. Now, what I really enjoy about him is going in at the stumps. Oh, he's tried to attack him. It's gone right through. That's the second wicket. Braves are right on top. That hard back of the lane. He's trying to go across the line. There's Donovan Ferreira. Wow, I tell you what, that's well timed. Little semi-down track from Ian Morgan. And that's the first boundary. Oh, that's nicely done, using the pace, making room, and over point for 4. He's played that towards the onside, and clears, yes, exactly. The big boundary is square of the wicket, but he manages to clear that maximum. Cuts that one into the hands and gone. Faraz Akram takes the catch and gets rid of the captain of Harare Hurricanes. Chivanga, the impact player, hitting that surface hard again. You can see Ian Morgan just trying to give himself a better width. But that is an excellent catch on up to the deep Barkram. A boundary, a much needed boundary. They need more of those. Halfway through, 5 overs gone. It's 32 for 3, the Hurricanes. Nice shot, but I don't think he gets enough of it. Tries to go over the vacant deep mid-wicket area because there's only allowed 2 fielders out. And all he does is pick out backward square. And they're in big trouble here. Oh, it's got past him. Why was there no dive there? Pulled into the gap, 1 bounce 4. You need lots of them. Every ball at the moment has to go for a boundary. I think he picks long on out, doesn't get it in the middle of the bat. Delight again for the brave bowlers. The hard-hitting Samar Patel, he had to come down and give it the kitchen sink, didn't he? And again, another ball doesn't hit the middle of the bat. Last ball, and this one is gone. Has it gone far enough? Oh, he's dropped it! Chopped on, this doesn't bounce. Delight for the skipper. Just sneaking through there. Unlucky for Fan in many ways. Oh, straight and given. No impact for that man, he has to go. 2 and 2, another possible hat-trick coming your way. Just clipping leg stump, perhaps. Umpire likes it, and the captain sure does. He celebrates again. Good shot. Length delivery, run away for a boundary. This one goes big. And that is a 6, a big one. Too little, too late, but a nice shot nevertheless. Gets rid of that left leg. Big gap straight over bowler's head. Good shot. Push hard for 2, and they're going to have to go for it. Don't play with this. Oh, he's just short. So there was a good reason to mow down those wickets. Yes, that is out, and a comprehensive win. What a performance from the captain, Sikandar Raza, with his runs and wickets. They bowled beautifully, they fielded beautifully.